Turn ordinary plastic bottles that would otherwise end up in the landfill into creative planters for your garden. The how-to's coming right up. Hi, it's Marcie. Welcome back. These wonderful ladies behind me are the guardians of the passion fruit pathway, and they are twins. This is Viviana, and this is Frida. Say hello, girls. Let's dive right into our project. It couldn't get any simpler, and it's a lot of fun. The making of the twins, Viviana and Frida, is very, very simple and easy, and the supply list is probably most likely things that are already at your home. When I was taking out the trash and I saw this vinegar bottle, I was like, oh my gosh, because it caught me upside down. And look at that, it's a face for sure. So for this, I'm using my vinegar bottles. I'm staying with that. You're gonna need some type of serrated knife or a Sawzall to cut the tops off, scissors, some craft paints of assorted colors, whatever you would like and however you would like to embellish your piece, your face, some water. I'm going to be stringing some earrings to the side of the face. I'm using copper wire as well as some beads out of epoxy. I'm sure you can find something like that around your home that you can embellish, maybe even some old jewelry, glue gun, a paintbrush, as well as some glue sticks and some spray paint. I'm also cutting this top off right here to create an embellishment for her face. And with that, let's dive right in the project. A piece of fabric. You can use whatever type of fabric that you wish to create a character with. I'm using a type of animal, tribal looking fabric. All right, I'll put that aside. All right, I'm going to make an indentation here to cut. You can either use a Sawzall of some sort. The trickiest part is just to start it. All right, and then later on when the adjustments are made, what I'll do is I'll go in and glue it down. But right now we're not going to glue it. We're just going to paint and then embellish. I'm going to use the glue gun to make a hole for my earring. And I decided instead of doing the beads, I was going to just simply put something in that I had already made out of wire. Oh, darling, you are so gorgeous. Look at that. That's so pretty. All right, and we're going to the other side and make another hole. Hopefully it'll be even. Let me see. There, there, there. Put that to dry. Okay, we're getting there, that's for sure, right? I think she might need a little bling in there somewhere. And maybe some glasses. I'm not sure about that. Maybe that would just ruin the look. Ooh, I don't know. What do you think about that? Like that, maybe? Or does that ruin it? I'm not sure. Could be. She's protective of her eyes. Yep. All right. What else do we need? I think I'm gonna get some bling for this. My bling bead in here is drying. The red cap for her lips, I decided to go over with red spray paint, so that's drying also. We have her glasses, she's all set to go, and she's ready to join her sisters soon. I was thinking I might give her a freckle, or maybe, I don't know, some freckles on her nose, or maybe a mole. Do the Cindy Crawford thing. Maybe a mole would be good. I might do the mole. Make it real, right? All right. Oh, baby, don't roll away. All right, so we're gonna make her mole maybe like right here. All right, here we go. Now for the rope, what I want to do is continue putting this in, but on the opposite side. And I'm going to simply use my glue gun for that. This rope is pretty thick, so yep, bonanza. We're all ready for our plant, and we need her lips back. Maybe a little hole there so we can drain. Great. Awesome. Let's go give her a plant. And she's got to go meet her sisters. This is the installation of Sophia. That's her name. Everybody gets named. All the ladies, all the men get named in the garden. And this is, for example, a simple PVC pipe that goes through her neck. You could also opt for hanging it. That was going to be my first choice, and then I decided, you know what? I'm gonna leave the rope in there. It kind of looks like Rasta locks, and kind of give her that look, that little boho look. That boho, Cindy Crawford with the mole, Sophia Loren with the glasses look, yes. And sporting at the bottom are some really wonderful plants that are gonna crawl up the legs here. And this is actually a plant called Clitoria. It's edible. And it's most amazing, but I digress. This is not what it's about. It's about the making of the girls, and it's about installing them. You can put a plant in here as well. I'm using one of the girls over here for a tomato arbor. These are my little Everglades tomatoes, as well as the cachuca peppers. Some staghorn pups, orchids. I'm using caps in the neck. There's so many different ways that you can decorate and enhance the character of all your women, all your characters. It doesn't have to be women. Sophia and I want to thank you for joining us. Have an amazing day.